Welcome back, you guys. It's July the 30th, and I'm getting an early start. And this is the first job that I have, customer service rep, remote day or afternoon shifts. And it's $15 to $17 per hour. It's a full-time job position. And the course and experience is required. And it has 7 shifts. Yes, you heard it right, you guys. 7 shifts, you Diamond Squad. 7. So these are shifts you can choose from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern. Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern. Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock a.m. through 5:30 p.m. Eastern. It's 9:30 a.m. through 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern. It's Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time through 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, and Monday through Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time and 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. What we look for in candidates: an up-to-date resume in English that includes customer service experience. Employment start and end dates that include the month and the year. A solid job history with previous position lasting at least 2 years on average with each employer. A minimum of 2 years of customer service experience. A minimum of 1 year of customer service experience with previous call center jobs lasting at least 1 year. Candidates must be an established resident in one of the states we are able to hire in currently Alabama, Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Maryland, and Texas. Starting pay rate is $15 an hour plus $1 for Spanish and $16 maximum plus $1 night shift differential for the 1:30 p.m. Eastern to 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time shift. Must be able to pass a drug screening, and nationwide background check. Fluency in English language and Spanish. Spanish is not always required. Be able to listen to learn software quickly and can multitask between software systems while actively listening to the caller and notating the call as well. Be familiar with remote learning in a fast-paced environment and must be able to focus. Training is structured and candidates must be able to keep up. This may require independent study outside work hours. Be over the age of 18 and have college level reading comprehension and be able to retain information. Actual college is not required. Requirements to work from home. Previous remote work experience preferred. Bring your own device and Windows PC laptop with an Intel i6 and AMD Ryzen 3600 or better CPU, and at least 8 gigs of RAM and 2 screens. Broadband internet, cable or fiber optic with a download and upload speed of at least 20 megabytes per second. Access to the router hardware must be hardwired, connected to the router. Already have or be able to quickly grasp the basics of troubleshooting, turn it on and off, how to clear your browser's caches, how to restart your router, etc. An office or a private room in the home with a door that closes. Others, adults, and children must not be present in the room while you are working. Adults residing in or frequently visiting your home will be required to sign a confidentiality agreement as well. Limit outside non-office noises while working. This may require you to soft-proof outside windows and doors. School, daycare, or other care for child or adult dependents must be arranged during work hours. The job description is cultivated leads via calls, emails, and texts as necessary and assists the patients to schedule an appointment. Attention to detail is required to successfully manage our software systems and schedule patients correctly. Able to mentally multitask, simultaneously actively listen to the caller, navigating our cloud-based systems and notating the call. Provide calls with world-class customer service as well as accurate information regarding their chosen surgical procedure and or cosmetic treatment. Be comfortable discussing sensitive body parts and procedures such as vaginal rejuvenation and breast enhancement, and doing simple calculations to provide correct pricing information. Be a fast learner and able to quickly implement coaching goals for continuous improvement. Be tech self-sufficient, able to quickly learn new programs and do basic equipment troubleshooting along with guidance. And this full-time position is $15 to $17 per hour, as mentioned. And the benefits are 401k matching, 401k dental insurance, employee assistance program, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. It's 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday through Friday. And COVID-19 considerations, all jobs are and will remain remote. So the application questions are here. Have you worked in a call center before? Answering phones in an office setting does not count as a call center. If yes, where and for how long? Who was your most recent employer, and what are and were the dates of employment with them? Experience is call center 1 year is required, and customer service 2 years required. And the language Spanish preferred, English fluently is required. Now this is a remote position and they're hiring for 10 candidates for this role. So if you like this job, you can apply. Now my second job will be medical billing specialist for Quince Orchard Psychotherapy. So this is $20 to $22 per hour. It's a remote position. It's full time. And in response to this application process, Indeed is 75% from the employer themselves. And these are what you have to have for your resume insights. You have to have patient monitoring experience, medical coding, behavioral health, and education. You have to have our certificates and associate's degree. And the benefits will be 401k matching, and dental insurance, flexible spending account, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and work from home. So this is a medical specialist full job description. Behavioral health group practice is currently seeking to hire a full cycle behavioral health billing and collection specialist, preferably working in the Eastern time zone. The ideal candidate for this position should be able to handle and organize multiple responsibilities, tasks daily, as well as possess knowledge and demonstrate skills associated to both medical billing, medical coding, and accounts receivable collections, both insurance and patient related. Behavioral health billing experience is a must and requirement. Preferred candidates can and will demonstrate their communication skills by conducting clear communication between the clinical team, other administrative staff, and patients, and should be comfortable speaking and practicing their customer service skills to insurance representatives and patients alike. Qualified candidates will be well organized, demonstrate good character, ethics, and work as a member of the team with other staff members. Duties is right here, the list of duties right here. Regularly work AR Regularly drop and submitting claims daily to insurance carriers for processing. I'll read some of these, and you guys can just get into it and think, figure out if you want to go into the job or not. It sounds like it's a great job, and I know it's a good job. So let's keep on going. Reviewing payments and fee schedules to ensure proper reimbursements. Reviewing clients' documentation to ensure proper coding is submitted, and patient collections. And the qualifications are here: previous billing experience of 5 years minimum. With experience in behavioral health is a must. Associate's degree. Proven reliability, proven reliability, self-starter, and great attendance. Well organized, attentive to details, and able to handle multiples expected task deadlines. Previous use of EMR systems and or claims housing clearinghouses. Athena Health experience preferable. Knowledge of Microsoft Office products. And these are, this is a Monday to Friday schedule. Supplemental pay is a bonus pay. And experienced behavioral health billing, 3 years is required, and this is remote. And they're hiring for one candidate for this role. So get an early start, guys. Let's go, diamonds. You can do it. Shine and sparkle. Let's get it. And those are the 2 jobs that I have for this video. So if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and comment down below if you got hired for any of these jobs. And let's just keep on going. Never stop the race. Let's just keep on doing it. Let's go. And I will see you guys on the next video. Good luck.